Sci-Fi Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to step-by-step replace a light bulb that's in the headlight of a vehicle, and this procedure is very similar in most vehicles. This model of vehicle is a BMW 320i 2014 model, not sponsored, and I can show you how to do this step-by-step in most BMW vehicles. And in most BMWs, especially of this model type, is going to be very similar to each other, and I'm going to show you how to do this step-by-step. Now let's go ahead and begin this project, and let's get started. So I have right here my vehicle, and I'm going to show you which light bulb is burnt out. All I have to do is just unlock it, and we'll show the parking light. You can see this one works, but the one right here is the one that needs to be replaced. Simply go right here, pull this twice, and this will pop the hood. There we go, just like that. And as you can see, this right here is the driver's side headlight, and this part right here is where I need to open to access the parking light bulb. All I need to do is simply open it by seeing the little tab right here that says open and close. Turn this way to open, turn this way to close. So I'm going to turn this way to open. And there's a little thing here that's kind of blocking it, so I have to just move these little plastic bits. Kind of go like that. And it kind of moves them a little bit. And then right here, you can just simply push. Opens just like this. And now, simply lift it up. Comes off just like this. Put it to the side. And now, you have all the wires that's connected to all of the light bulbs. And you can actually reach your hand inside. And you can be able to turn and find which one to unscrew, open, and replace the light bulb. And this right here is the socket where I need to unscrew to access that parking light bulb. Simply reach in, turn it anti-clockwise, just like this. And there, here's a little light bulb. And now all you have to do is just take the light bulb, twist it anti-clockwise, comes out just like this. And this right here is a new light bulb. Place it in. Make sure the pins align in the little sockets. Push it in. Turn it clockwise. You can see that it's nice and secure. And now, let's go ahead and test it out. Press on the key fob to unlock the doors. And there, as you can see, it works. And now, simply take it and place it into that socket. Place it in, just like this. And now turn it clockwise. And there, goes in just like this. And you can see, nice and secure. And now let's go ahead and put the cap back on. Place it through, just like this. Make sure that this part here is aligned with that part. There we go, secure just like this. And now, turn it clockwise. If you want, you can also use a screwdriver for a little help. And now, simply close the lid. And there, the project is now complete. Let's go ahead and take the key fob, unlock the doors. And there, as you can see, the parking light works. And there you have it. Now you know how to replace a parking light bulb in a BMW 320i 2014 model, not sponsored, and showing you how to do this step by step to be able to replace light bulbs in most vehicles. And there you have it. Thank you for watching Sci-Fi Tech. I hope you learned something new, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and of course click on the bell icon to be notified of future Sci-Fi Tech videos. Till the next tech, goodbye.